Hello everyone. In today's video, we will discuss NCERT solution for class 12th chemistry by Mahesh Bhardwaj, chapter 2 solution. In text unsolved question. Question number 2.12. Calculate the osmotic pressure in Pascal exerted by a solution prepared by dissolving 1 gram of polymer of molar mass 185,000 in 450 ml of water at 37 degree Celsius. Now we proceed to answer this question. It is given that the volume of water V is 450 ml. We change it into the liter, that is 0.45 liter. Okay. Temperature is 37 degrees Celsius is given. We convert this 37 degrees Celsius into the Kelvin by adding 273. The value comes to be 310 Kelvin. The number of moles of the polymer is equal to 1 by 185,000. Here 1 is weight of solute, that is polymer, whereas 185,000 is the molar mass of polymer. Okay. Now we know that osmotic pressure is equal to pi is equal to N by V RT, where N is number of moles, V is volume, R is constant, and T is temperature. Here pi is indicate osmotic pressure. Thus, we substitute the value of N, V, R, and T. The value of N is 1 by 185,000 mole. Value of volume is 0.45 liter. Value of R is 8.314 into 10 to the power 3 Pascal, liter, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse. Here we use this value because we have to answer in a unit Pascal. Osmotic pressure should be in Pascal. Okay. Temperature 310 Kelvin. We already know it is given. So mole to mole inverse cancel out. Kelvin inverse to Kelvin is cancel out. Liter to upon liter is cancel out. So net unit is remain is Pascal. When we solve it, the value comes to be 30.98 Pascal. So 30.98 is the osmotic pressure. That is our answer. Okay. I hope you are able to understand this question. For more such kind of question, please visit to our website, that is teachingpoint.org.in. Thank you, student. Thanks a lot.